Have you seen the most affordable, fast developing estate in Owerri with high potentials? In this video, I'm going to give you the reasons why now is the best time to invest in this particular estate. Number one is location. SunCity Gardens Estate Owerri is located along the Taj Road, and this road is called Avu Road. From here, from the entrance gate of SunCity Gardens to Avu Junction, which is Owerri Port Harcourt Road, is just 5 minutes drive. And across Avu Junction is New Owerri. So it has a very good access road. The road has been tagged with street lights. That means if you are driving both at night or in the day, it's very much accessible. Secondly, this estate has been verified to be free from any government interest and encumbrance. Okay, you can see many clients have built, some are building, while some clients just started their building projects. And gone are those days when you see a land you acquire without verification. So if these clients have gone to verify, came back to acquire, and started building their projects, shows you that this particular estate is free from any government interest and encumbrance. Okay. Thirdly, SunCity Gardens Estate is well managed by a reliable real estate company and developer. That's Vine Properties Limited manages SunCity Gardens Estate. This company don't only sell land, but they develop their estates. And this is how all their estates look like nationwide. Can't you see that there is fast development in this particular estate? Can't you see that people are moving in massively to acquire and build their houses? Can't you see that there is high potential in this estate? So think of how this place will look like in the next 1 year. The fourth reason is the allocation system. Vine Properties Limited, which is the management and developer of this particular SunCity Gardens Estate, Owerri, they have their own way of real estate management, which works out for them perfectly. You see, they don't want you to acquire land in the estate and run away. Maybe after 5 years, you come back, put up your fence. Before you know it, you start doing fish pond, or you turn that place into farming. They don't want it in the estate at all. That's why, as they're developing the estate, they will also want you to start developing your own plot. And that is the reason why they don't allocate you after payment unless you want to start building. And if they want to allocate you, they will allocate you next to the last client they allocated that has started building already. And this has been working out perfectly for the company. That's why you're seeing this fast development in the estate. So if you want to acquire after payment, you will only be allocated when you want to start building. Look at this newly allocated plot. It starts from here. The client acquired this plot some months back. He now wants to start building. He came down and was allocated immediately. In fact, the plot was mapped out today in the presence of the client. The surveyor and the urban planner of the estate, they were all present. So look at the next edge of the plot, straight down over there to where the client and surveyor they are standing. You can see that this plot was allocated next to an ongoing building project, which was the last client that was allocated that is already building, right? So look at this fresh allocation as well. This person is at the foundation level. Look at the other one, is at the DPC level. So like I said before, hence you want to start building, you'll be allocated immediately. Okay. The fifth reason is the features of the estate. Just look around, you can see it has been fenced, it has been gated. You can see the roads, you can see the street lights, you can see the estate transformer, you can see the estate office and all that. So just take a look at this 3D video. This is exactly how this estate is going to look like. It also has amazing features that will attract more investors and development to the estate, and is well managed and organized, as you can see in the 3D video. The size of a plot in the estate is 50 feet by 100 feet, which is 465 square meters in size. and is selling for 16 million naira. You can see that it is affordable when compared to the fast development and high potentials in the estate. So call or WhatsApp me with the number that you know on the screen 08060 for free site inspection, for more inquiries, and to acquire your plot or plots of land before the price increases again. Remember, this video is coming from Leodra Global Limited. I am just a the managing director, Leodra Global Limited, your favorite real estate consultant company here in Owerri, Imo State. If you like watching property videos like this in Owerri, if you like watching educative videos like this in Owerri, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like the video and share so that when we publish videos like this, you'll be notified for you to watch and be informed, okay? You can also check us out in our office at number 10, Mako Plaza off Superb Road, Institutional and Club Quarters, New Owerri. You can as well check us in our website with lodraglobal.com.ng for further inquiries. Have a fantastic day. I will see you again and bye for now.